All right, hi Facebook friends. Welcome to the virtual open house here at my new listing. This is 1915 Patterson Drive in Decatur. Great remodel top to bottom, about 1775 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, master down. As I said, the entire house has been redone, new flooring, new paint, new kitchen, new baths, everything. So welcome to the open house. I am going to walk you around and kind of give you a guided tour. And we are doing Facebook Live, so if you do have comments or questions, drop them below and I can answer them as I go along, or I'll answer them once the open house is complete. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera around now. I'm going to let you see what a great house this is, and let's get the open house started. Ready? Let's go. All right, as we come into the front door of the house, we walk into a foyer. Now, a couple of things I want to point out here. Hardwoods have been redone completely through this house. And when you open up the front door, you enter the foyer. There is the stairway going upstairs. You have a small hallway here that goes to the master bedroom, bath, down to the kitchen. But we're going to start this way, and we are going to go to the right. And this is the formal living room. Now, this is a good size room. I'll put the dimensions and everything in the listing sheet, but I'll also put them below. You can see a lot of work has been done in this house. Again, beautiful hardwood floors. The paint is new, ceiling fan, the lighting, crown molding, lots of natural light in this house. Let me go to this angle and I'm going to show you the windows here. So you've got a lot of natural light coming in. Again, the paint is the agreeable gray, beautiful hardwood floors. And the floors have been done throughout this house. And so the living room here then opens up into the formal dining room. We're just going to go through here. And you can see another beautiful room. It's got new lighting, new paint. It's got the wainscoting, hardwood floors. The popcorn ceilings have been scraped, which is a job unto itself, but really super nice. This house has been redone and it has a very high-end feel about it. I want to turn around and let you see from this angle. And you can see that is the living room from whence we just came, and then this is the formal dining. Again, lots of room. And then this opens up into the kitchen. Now, I love this kitchen. It's the classic galley style, which was pretty common for homes of this age, but it has been completely redone with fixtures, lighting, and the granite. Cabinets are painted. And again, we bring the hardwood floors and the crown molding continue in here. And there is a pantry, good sized pantry there. This house does come with all the appliances. It's got the refrigerator. It does have a dishwasher. Look at the backsplash. Let me get up close on that for you. Really super nice. And then in this direction, this is the foyer. Okay, but look at the built-ins that are in here. You got more of the granite countertops, more of the backsplash. Again, just the owner of this house did a great job of remodeling. You got a breakfast nook here that has French doors going to the backyard, and we'll go outside in just a minute. The yard is one of the things that makes this house so nice. It's got a very large lot, lots of concrete there. It does have a storage shed, and we'll go out back in just a second. I want you to see the kitchen from this angle. And then this is the laundry. So you have your laundry right here off of the kitchen. Let me turn this light on. So good sized laundry room. Again, going back this direction, you can see the galley kitchen, plenty of room in here, lots of storage space. Again, painted cabinets, granite, got the tile backsplash. Now off of the breakfast nook is the family room. And this is a large bonus room. Again, with the fresh hardwood floors, it's got new paint. And this is what I like about this room is this. Look at the built-ins here. The fireplace, this is a gas log fireplace. Beautiful bricks. Got the great, I like the wide hearth. And this opens up into the garage. Now this house has an oversized garage. Let me get the light on here. All right, so you can see this is a 2-car garage. It does have separate doors, separate openers. It is large enough for a workshop. And again, the house has been remodeled. That's why you're seeing the paint there. And we'll go outside in a minute. This leads out to the back door, but I want to show you the other bedrooms first. So we're going to go back through the great room, or the family room, back through the kitchen. I always feel like I'm walking really quickly when I do video. All right, so off the foyer is where we have the master bedroom and the downstairs bath. Now this home has 2 full baths, one up and one down. And again, you can see it has been completely redone. New paint, popcorn has been scraped, new vanity, new fixtures, new lighting. There is the tub shower. Nice big tub. And again, the owner's done a really nice job of decorating. All right. So off of the bathroom is the master bedroom. Now again, we're coming off of the foyer here. This is the downstairs isolated master, pocket door going into the bathroom. Hardwood floors. Again, new ceiling fan, light fixtures. And this room has double closets. You've got a double closet here, but then you also have a closet there. So lots of storage space for a home of this age. Let me give you the view from down here. And I hope you're enjoying this virtual open house. If I can answer any questions for you while we are live, you can just drop them in the comments and I will try to address them. If I don't, I can address them afterwards because this will be recorded and it will remain on Facebook. Again, this is 1915 Patterson Drive. This is in Decatur in the Westmead subdivision. So, all right, so the master is down with a full bath. We are now going to go upstairs, and this is where the other 2 bedrooms are. Got a little landing here at the top of the stairs. Both of the bedrooms upstairs are good size. I think they're 12 by 13. And again, you got some good lighting in here, scraped ceilings, new ceiling fan. Got brand new carpet, looks really good. And again, lots of closet space. Look at this, we have double closets in this bedroom. This house literally looks brand new. It really does. All right, here is the upstairs bath. Again, granite countertops, new light fixtures, new plumbing fixtures. It does have a full bath and tub, bath and shower. And again, fresh paint, new flooring. Really, really nice. And as we go back out, the 3rd bedroom is here. And again, even the 3rd bedroom is large. I think this is 12 by 12. And again, double closets. Let's go back this way. So every bedroom has double closets. I want to show you one more thing while we're upstairs here. And this is a little kind of a bonus area, but it's more of a storage area. But if you've got little kids, they would love making a playroom out of this. Now it's just a small room with that opens up to attic storage on that end, but you can see it's It's a great little room. It's probably 5 by 12. And it looks like they've got it staged with the teepee. That's great. And that is just above the stairs here. So as we go back out, again, if you've got any questions while we are live on Facebook, I'm happy to answer them for you. Again, about 1775 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, lots and lots of space. All right, so let's go back down the stairs. And I always have a fear that when I'm doing this, you're going to see a video of me tumbling down, but not too bad. All right, and there are my boots, my dirty boots. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the camera down for just a second. I'm going to put my boots on, and then I will take you outside. So just hold on for 1 second. All right, so I'm all booted up. Appreciate you waiting. Why don't I take you outside now, let you look. This is a great neighborhood. Again, this is Westmead in Decatur. Very nice, quiet, residential area. Sold a lot of houses in Westmead. All right, so let me show you the outside. Is that good looking or what? Roof looks, roof looks in really good shape. There's your HVAC there. And I'm sure you recognize that car. 2-car garage, and again, very, very quiet residential street here. But this is the entrance. That would be the garage there, the family room. Outside is vinyl siding in really good shape. Windows are in good shape. Again, lots of new concrete. So now let's walk through and we'll go out to the backyard. All right, stepping out through the breakfast nook into the backyard. I want you to see how big this yard is. Privacy fence, got a lot of tall trees back there. It's a very private yard. Great storage shed here, good size. I'm gonna walk over here and let you take a look at that. That is the entrance into the garage. Someone asked, does the storage shed remain? Yes. Unless you would really like to try to move it, it is going to stay right here. All right, let's see if I can get it open for you. All right, so great storage shed. Looks like it's also could be used as a workshop. Needs a little bit of cleaning up, of course. But good space, good space. You can put your lawn equipment in here. This closed up. All right, let's go back and take a look at the back of the house. It's a really pretty house. Again, vinyl siding, low maintenance. Looks like it has been painted recently because it's in really good shape. Love the yard. Nice big yard. If you've got kids or dogs, or even if you just like to be outside, this is a really nice green space here. And again, we've got privacy fencing all the way around. No one's going to be peeking over in your backyard. Looks really, really nice. All right, so I've flipped the camera around again. Hope you've enjoyed this virtual open house. Again, I'll post all links down below. We've got photographs, of course, online. You can go and take a look at. Again, really nice 1915 Patterson in Decatur. This is in the Westmead subdivision. Really, really nice area here. The house has been completely remodeled from top to bottom. Again, new floors, popcorn ceilings scraped, fresh paint, light fixtures, plumbing fixtures. The kitchen here features really nice granite countertops, really nice backsplash. It does have the appliances. Okay. And remember, it does have the isolated master down with the full bath here off the hallway that also connects to the master. Upstairs, 2 really super large bedrooms with tons of storage. And then you got that really cute little storage spot that could make a a really cool little fort or hideout for someone. So that's going to do it. We've been here about 15 minutes, so hope you've enjoyed the virtual open house here at 1915 Patterson in Decatur. If you have any questions about this home, you can either private message me or email me, tim@revolved.com. It is in the MLS. It is active. The price is $179,900. And again, remember, that includes everything that has been updated. You're not going to have to do anything to this house except move in and start having fun. All right. So that's it, guys. I'm going to close up the open house. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're watching this on the replay, again, if you got any questions, just let me know. Always happy to answer them. All right. You guys get out there and make it a great day. If I can do anything for you when it comes to real estate, just call me 679-0704 or email tim@revolved.com. All right. See you guys later. Enjoy.